everyone, I am Tejasri of class 8K25. Today in this Educate Talks, my talk is about a place that holds my memories. I choose this topic because memories remember only about the moments or the places. It doesn't remember about the day or the dates. These moments happens in a particular place. Here, a memory plays an important role in all our lives, like making us to know our past problems, solving the problems, learning problems, etc. In my life, I faced one problem. Not one, more than one. Everyone could face many problems, but I doesn't want to share about the problems. I want to share about the positive thoughts and the positive viable things. Here, in my life, there is a good situation. That is, it took in a place which was a devotional place. At the same time, it is also a tourist place. That place is Shirdi. As you all visited Shirdi, in Shirdi we can see the Lord Sai Baba. When I went visited Shirdi, immediately we went to the temple. After visiting temple, we came out from the temple. Then my grandmother have explained about the Sai Baba. Then I was amazed that how great he is. He is a Muslim, but he also respected all the religions. How great he is, but we are there. We'll respect only our religion or our favorite religion. After visiting this temple, we went to the Olden City. In Olden City, there are many idols of Baba, the history he have done at the past. They indicates the past things or the past moments done by him. That was so good and so elegant. Those idols were really elegant. In those situations, I'll explain you one situation. He used to cure everyone's health problems, health issues with just a tree, the neem tree. He used to smash and then take the substance which he gets, and then he used to cure all the people. He is a doctor, right? But we are there. Nowadays, we all uses medicines, tablets, etc. etc. In my opinion, medicines doesn't matter about the tablets, etc. If we take neem leaves and all, that is only good for us than these medicines. He's so great. Later visiting this, we went to the theme park, which was newly constructed. It was so good. I was so amazed about the one thing. I'll say that thing to you later. Before that, when we visited this theme park, starting there was a big Ashoka Chakra which was attached to a huge wall. It was 5 feet or more than 5 feet. I was amazed at how great were they to construct the huge one else. Oh my god. Later we went inside. We also saw some movies, the devotional movies, which were so good. These movies makes us to know about the Ramayana, Mahabharata, about Lord Krishna and about the Sai Baba. He also gave 7 or 8 of his golden coins to Jhansi, you know who is Jhansi, right? Jhansi is the servant of him, of Sai Baba. She is a loyal and honesty servant of him. She never asks him anything. At the last, when Sai Baba's life was ending, he gave 7 or 8 golden coins to her, indicating that you are my loyalty one. I like you a lot. So here we can see that how loyal Jhansi is. But nowadays, are we loyal? Never. Are we honesty? Never. Enough. Now, after seeing all these movies, we came out from the theme park. And again, when we came out, we saw that there are some blocks of some blocks they have made Sai's picture. That was so good. They took some days, some years, some months to make that. That was so good. I was amazed at how much talent they have. Later when we came out, the staff over there have advised us to visit Shirdi, advised us to visit the theme park again so that you can see the magical show and the shows which were being held at the night. So then when we said thank you to him, and when we are walking and we are coming out from the theme park, my sister's eyes went towards the water park which was opposite to the theme park. That water park was so good. It is very good than, it's so elegant than the Wonderla. There were many things to play there. I was so fun. I have got much confidence. Like, I have thought much fun. I thought that it would be fun if we go there. So me and my sister requested my mother, father, all my family to go to the water park. They also said, "Oh, my daughter is asking like this," so they also said, "Okay." So we went to the water park. My mother dislikes swimming, but for the first time she swimmed with us. She played. She enjoyed the things. We all played till the sunset. Later, we went to the hotels and changed our dress. Again, we came to the theme park to see the magical shows and all the shows. First, they start when we sat on the tiles. Those tiles were so cool because it was night. At that time, it was so cool at that time. So when we sat, the floor was so cool. So we did not dislike that place, but we loved it because the coolness and the magical shows and all makes us to get more experience. So we just went and sat. Then the magicians came. He said someone to come to the stage. So I went forward. When I came, he asked me that, "Do you want anything?" I said that I want a small rose, which is a pink color. The baby pink color is. He said that okay. He gave me a hat. I took that hat. He told me to show to all the audience. I took like this and showed and then kept my hand in it. Nothing was there. It's empty. Then I gave that hat back to him. He took and then he kept his hands in it and opened a small rose. I was amazed that how much talent he had. There was an empty hat, but how could he give that? I asked him. He said that's magic. Then again he asked the same question. I said that now I want pigeons. Then he said, do the same thing. So I took and I showed to all. I kept my hand. It was empty. It gave the hat back to him. He again took the hat from me and kept hand in it and then plucked the pigeon. That was a white pigeon. That eyes were so good. I was in a shock. I was unable to move from this side to that side. I was in a great shock. My mother, all the audience sitting were shocked because of that. Later, after this, he said that he asked me again, "Do you want more pigeons?" I said yes. He kept that pigeon in the cage and then again kept his hand in it. Again he plucked one. Again he kept. I asked, "How many pigeons you have?" He said, "Infinity of pigeons I have because I'm a magician. Due to magic, many things can come." I said that, "Are you using technology?" He said that, "No, I'm using magic. Technology doesn't matter about the magic." Then, after seeing this magical show, then the dance people came. They danced very beautifully. That was elegant. It's like a peacock dancing when it is raining. I know that you all have seen when the peacock is dancing when it's raining, right? So same like that only they danced. They even sang songs too. One of my favorite songs they have sang. I was never able to forget that. It was a very good song. Later after this dancing, singing, everything later of this and all, again they of all the lights in our surrounding, there was no current. Suddenly, a beam light came from a torch, something from the top, and then fall on the Ashoka Chakra. That was a 3D film for us. Someone else is talking about the history of him, and the lights were falling. Everything was good. I was really my two eyes were not enough to see that. I want to explore that to everyone. So I recorded those 3D films and all and all. Later, after this and all, when we are coming out, the rain started falling. Then everyone was rushing to go away, to hide from that, to save themselves from there. But me and my family did not rush because we want to enjoy that rain. No one wants to enjoy that rain, but we wanted to enjoy because nature gives a single small gifts for us. For example, giving us rainfall suddenly, sudden rainfall, sudden snowfall, etc. I know that you all like snowfall, but many people doesn't like rain. Why? Because you get cold, you get cough. That's every time we'll get. If we eat chocolates and all also we'll get. But why don't you enjoy the nature? It gives us a small gifts. we should take them with love and affection. That is known as the love between us and nature. After this and all, I came back to my home, Nellore. I came back to my home, and then me and my sister went to the neighbors, all the neighbors, and explored about the things, explored about our experiences to all. So every of our neighbor have appreciated us because we have shared our things to them. Here we can say that no, here we in this all story what have I said, uh, my conclusion is if you got an experience, don't try to hide it in yourself. Try to explore it to all. Try to make everyone to know about it. So my conclusion is don't neglected the nature's beauty. Nature doesn't need us. We need nature. So take the small gifts given by the nature. Thank you.